Fix print head errors on the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, and 790 printer series. If your printer does not prime after print head installation and you receive a print head error message on the printing software on your computer, follow the steps in this video to fix the issue. You might also notice that for printers with touchscreens, a print head's missing or print head problem message displays, or for printers without touchscreens, the attention light and one or both print head icons blink. Step 1. Determine which print head caused the error. Look at the control panel display to determine which print head caused the error. If the tricolor print head icon is blinking, the tricolor print head is the cause of the error. If the black print head icon is blinking, the black print head is the cause of the error. If both the tricolor and black print head icons are blinking, both the print heads are the cause of the error. Step 2. Check the print heads. The printer might be experiencing the error if the print heads are not correctly installed. Before checking the print heads, make sure the ink tanks are at least half full and paper is loaded in the input tray. Turn on the printer. Lift the ink access door. Wait until the carriage moves to the center and stops. Make sure the print head cover is closed. If the cover was not closed, push down to close it. This might be the source of the error. Try to use your printer again before proceeding. If the cover was closed or you are still experiencing the error, press the blue button on the print head carriage to open the print head cover. Remove the print head that caused the error by pressing down to release it, and then pull it out of its slot. Set it aside on a protected surface. Caution! To prevent ink from leaking, hold the print head by the sides and keep the print head upright at all times. Confirm that there are no packaging materials still remaining on the print head. Make sure the plug on top of the print head has been removed and make sure the tape from the print head contacts has been removed. Insert the print head back into the slot until it snaps into place. Close the print head cover. Close ink access door. The printer then requires an alignment. If your printer has a touchscreen control panel, follow the control panel prompts to print an alignment page. If your printer does not have a touchscreen control panel, an A blinks on the control panel and an alignment page prints automatically. Follow the instructions on the page to align the print heads. Step 3. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from printer errors or failures. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Connect the power cord back to a power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power cord back to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If none of the steps in this video have helped solve the error, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.